Dr. IELTS, a seasoned examiner and second marker with extensive experience, offers invaluable advice for aspiring candidates. Here are some high points of his guidance. Engage in English conversation. Dr. IELTS emphasizes the importance of engaging in as much English conversation as possible. This practical approach helps learners internalize the language, improving their fluency and confidence. Speaking with native speakers or fellow learners creates a dynamic environment where language skills can flourish. Switch to English entertainment and music immersion is a key strategy recommended by Dr. IELTS. By switching to English entertainment and music, learners can surround themselves with the language in a natural and enjoyable way. This constant exposure helps with vocabulary acquisition, listening skills, and overall language comprehension. Practice pronunciation and intonation. Dr. IELTS highlights the significance of practicing pronunciation and intonation. These aspects are crucial for clear and effective communication. Consistent practice helps learners sound more natural and improves their ability to be understood by native speakers. Range of topics. Covers a diverse range of topics essential for IELTS preparation. Traditional and modern skills. Dr. IELTS explores the contrast between traditional and modern skills, delving into areas such as traditional festivals and the impact of modernization on traditional ways of life. This comparison helps students understand how societal changes influence cultural practices. Disappearance of traditional skills. Topics like the disappearance of traditional skills, such as calligraphy and paper cutting, are discussed. These examples highlight the cultural shifts and the declining practice of certain arts, providing rich material for speaking and writing tasks. Conflict between traditional and modern values. The conflict between traditional and modern values is another focal point. Dr. IELTS encourages learners to think critically about these issues and their implications for society. This critical thinking is crucial for crafting well-rounded responses in the exam. Importance of comparison and contrast in writing tasks. Dr. IELTS underscores the importance of comparison and contrast in writing tasks. This technique helps students present balanced arguments and enhances the depth of their essays. Highlights to the responses. Dr. IELTS' responses to student queries and practice tasks emphasize several key comparing and contrasting advantages and disadvantages for writing task 1. Dr. IELTS focuses on comparing and contrasting the advantages and disadvantages of different topics. This approach helps students develop a structured and coherent response. Testing processing skills. There is a strong emphasis on testing processing skills in Task 1. Dr. IELTS encourages students to expand on ideas and measure their thinking patterns, ensuring they can present well-reasoned arguments. Reading aloud and highlighting unfamiliar words for speaking skills improvement. Dr. IELTS suggests practical techniques such as reading aloud, highlighting unfamiliar words, and seeking clarification. These methods help students become more comfortable with the language and improve their pronunciation and vocabulary. The conclusion. Dr. IELTS' comprehensive advice provides a robust foundation for IELTS preparation. By engaging in English conversation, immersing in English entertainment, practicing pronunciation, and exploring a range of topics, learners can enhance their language skills and excel in the IELTS exam. The emphasis on critical thinking, structured responses, and practical techniques ensures that students are well equipped to achieve their desired advanced scores.